Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson. I'm a certified life coach. Are you trying to manifest something into your life? Maybe more abundance, a new job, a relationship, and you're just trying so hard and you feel you're getting nowhere. Well, usually there are two main blocks, so that's what this video is about. It's how to remove the manifesting blocks. I'm going to describe the two blocks and then give you 3 ways to go through them. Things that you can start doing today. Now, if you enjoy my videos, I ask you to please hit that subscribe button. I'm here to help you live your best life ever. And if you enjoy this video, hit the like button too. But let's go ahead and get started. So this video is how to remove manifesting blocks. Now, I've discussed a lot about manifesting, and when we're manifesting, I call it assumption. You kind of have to assume you have already manifested what you want and put yourself in that role. And I've done a lot of videos on visualization, affirmations, and different tools and techniques to help you program your subconscious mind. Because when you're programming your subconscious mind, you are putting it in motion. That is when you connect with Source, with God, with infinite intelligence, and you're setting it in motion. And you may be trying really, really hard, but nothing's happening and you're getting frustrated. Now, do you ever feel like, what if it came true? Like it's too good to be true? Or what if it doesn't come through and you're worried about that? Well, that is the #1 block, and that is fear. Even though we want certain things, deep down, it's hard to get rid of that fear. The fear that it may not come about, and oh my gosh, what will your life be like? So what's the opposite of fear? Faith. It's having faith in the process. And to get rid of the fear, take the focus off yourself. Instead of the fear, keep doing those affirmations, keep doing those visualizations. So the first block is fear. The second block is you're trying to figure it out. And you know what? That's great. But if you leave it to Source, to infinite intelligence, don't you think there's many more possibilities that could open up than what we as humans think just on this earth? You're opening it up to the spiritual realm where the possibilities are endless. An analogy I give, if you're trying to go somewhere and there may be traffic or you are not sure of the route, you probably use an app. And you trust that app. You trust the app to take you from point A to point B. Well, it's in the same with Source, with infinite intelligence. It's trusting that the spiritual realm will figure it out much better than you can. The end result will be better than you can imagine. So those are the 2 blocks. The one is fear, and the second is trying to figure it all out yourself. So, but now you're thinking, okay, now what? What do I do? Well, the first is stop trying to figure it out. Stop trying. Trust in the process. Keep doing the work, keep doing the visualization, and don't spend the time on trying to figure out. Focus on you instead. The second is start identifying with what you want. So maybe you want a new job, you want a relationship. Start acting as that today. How are you talking? Are you talking like you're already in that? That's what you need to do. How about the people you associate with? How about the books you read, the news you read, the clothes you wear? Start doing the assumption. So instead of the fear and all that external, go inside, do the work, but start acting as such. And you'll speed along your manifesting a lot quicker. The third, and this is very important, and I've explained this in a lot of the different videos, before you go to sleep at night, because that is when your subconscious doesn't sleep at night. That's what is our breathing and takes care of our body while we're sleeping. But you can program those brain waves right before you go to sleep. It's almost like a meditative awareness, a meditative state. So before you go to sleep, start doing those assumptions. Start thinking in your mind, in your head, what it is you want and how you are in that situation. So I hope this helps you with the 2 blocks and the 3 steps for you to take. If you have any questions, write it in the comments and I'll certainly help you. Again, if you enjoy my videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm really grateful for everybody that watches my videos and for my subscribers. But see you next week.